Radharani's dear Madhya. She's in the middle. She's not too heavy, not too light. Dear Madhya. So they have these characteristic bhavas which Krishna relishes. That's why the need for so many lovers. There's 360 types of sakhis that are displaying different types of ratis, explain Ushul and Nilamani. There's 360 different types of Madhurya ratis and bhavas. So sakhis, and each sakhi exhibits one of those. So in other words, every day Krishna can relish, there's 360 days in a Vedic New Year, in a Vedic year. So every day you can relish a different bhava, a different sakhi. So it goes on. So the mantris, they never accept the role of being Krishna's lover. The word mantri means flower bud. There's a flower, then there's a bud. The bud's not open. The bud's closed. The bee can't enjoy the bud. There's no nectar there. It's just closed. And then it opens. So the flower is open, the bud is closed. So mantri means a closed flower. It's a bud. So she's on the vine, on the Prem Lata true, Radharani's a Prem Lata true. On the vine, there's leaves, there's buds, and there's flowers. Bud will become a flower, but it's not a flower yet. It's a younger stage of a flower. So the mantris are 12 years old, Radharani's 14. 14 years, 9 months, 7.5 days. She's almost 15, and Krishna almost 16. Krishna's 15 years. What is Krishna? Now Radharani is 14 years, 2 months, 15 days, and Krishna is 15 years, 9 months, 7.5 days. That's exactly the age. This is given in Sadhana Amrita Chandrika by Sri Krishna's Baba. He reveals ages.